possibilities. Did you know the Pando-aspen Grove in Utah is the world's oldest living organism? That's right. This single, interconnected forest has been standing tall for over 80,000 years. And speaking of standing the test of time, honey never spoils. Pots of this sweet treat found in ancient Egyptian tombs are still edible today. Consider the octopus, a creature with not one, not two, but 3 hearts. An oddity that's just as fascinating as it is strange. Ever thought of deserts as icy? Antarctica, with its incredibly low precipitation, is technically the largest desert on Earth. Tree rings are more than just nature's artwork, they're also time capsules, helping scientists date historical events. Did you know the Eiffel Tower grows in the summer? Heat causes the metal to expand, adding up to 6 inches to its height.